Hi, I'm Tony Stefani with Hillside Christmas Tree Farm. Today we are replacing our starter motor on our Ford 4000. We refer to this guy as Big Blue. He's been with the farm, I think, as long as I can remember, one of the first tractors here, and we definitely gotten our work out of her. So good to take care of it. So we noticed that the starter wasn't engaging much, and we looked at our records, and it's been, I don't know, eight years or so. So we took the old one out and got the new one, and we're going to put it in today. So here's how we do it. Pretty simple: 3 bolts, a couple wires, and fire up like new. All right, here we go. So we'll start with the 2 outsides because we'll get it lined up for that third, which is kind of in the back. When taking it off, it's always easiest to start with the hardest bolt because you got everything else holding it up. At least that's my philosophy. So we'll get these 2 lined up, just hand tight at first, because that third one back there is kind of in a tricky spot. Tools needed: we got a 9/16 for the main bolts that are holding it all together. There we go, got it in the hole. Give her the good old German torque. 1, 2, 3. Now we got our starter wire. Last one had a stud, this one's got a bolt, so we don't need our old hardware. Remember that wires kind of have a memory, so keep it the way it was. Looks like it was kind of like so, or definitely not like that. So that looks like it. And there it is. 3 bolts and a cable. Pretty simple. One little interesting thing we do, let me go grab the bag. Kind of help keep things organized is, right now I'm in the red barn, and we have 3 barns. And one is our I don't know, main workshop with a big toolbox and storage. The red barn, this one is finished, and we use it while we're open for selling trees in our nice barn. But a lot of times we spend a lot of time running around looking for tools. So my dad created these little work bags that are all labeled. So it's got red tape, it's got a red barn label, and it's kind of got a basic set of hand tools. And that red barn one stays in the red barn, and that way we always know. And all the tools have little red tape on it. So we kind of have a basic set of tools no matter where we're at. So as long as we don't, I don't know, bring this in the other barn and leave it, we'll be okay. But inside that barn, we have another, maybe the yellow set or something. And then in our machine barn, we have another set. So sets of tools everywhere. I mean, the stuff is cheap, you know, just, I don't know, Walmart or something, basic set of hand tools. And it just keeps us a little bit organized, and we're not running back and forth looking for stuff. So just a little tidbit of advice. So, all right, we're gonna get this thing started up. We're gonna move it in one of the other barns for storage, and yeah, that's it. Well, I hope you like it. Nothing tree related, but you know, there's always stuff to do on farm. So something simple, keep your stuff running. Thanks for watching.